Hey guys, so here's video number 2 of the trailer build. If you look back at some of the older videos, you'll see a quick one about this trailer where it's sitting outside over there against the fence, and we're talking about building it into a utility trailer. So we started on that today. It's an old camper. There's the step. And so we've taken a wire wheel on a zip cut and we've wire wheeled the top and the side surfaces, and then we decided that we're going to do this properly and we're going to wire wheel the bottom and then apply an undercoat material. So we bit the bullet and figured we may as well take the axle off so we can really get in there and do a good job. So I just took my zip cut and I chopped off the bolt head, the nuts that hold the leaf spring to that shackle, and that nut there. We did the same thing on the other side. So now we're going to jack this up off the ground, suspend it by the frame with some jack stands, and hammer out these bolts, which should drop the axle. Then we're going to cut these U-bolts and run over to our trailer supply shop and pick up some new leaf springs and some new U-bolts and some new shackle bolts. And then we're going to come back, finish sanding off the bottom of this, undercoat it, and then start working on the axle so we can drop it back together. We picked up our wood. Got some, this isn't cedar, guys, this is, they call this brown treated. I guess it's cheap decking wood. 12-foot long sections, so we've got 7 or 8 10-inch wide pieces for the middle section, and then we got 4, I think they're 6-inch wide pieces for the outer section. Because what our plan is with this trailer is we're gonna make a box that sits inside of these rails, but when we want to, we're going to be able to pull the sides out and we're going to be able to move them to the outside of these rails to make the trailer almost 2 feet wider. So if we haul something really wide home, we'll be able to carry it. We'll also be able to use this as a light duty flat deck trailer because the sides will be removable. So we're going to have two 6-inch planks down the outside of the wheels, and then 7 or 8 10-inch planks down the middle. We've also got a cool aluminum toolbox that we're going to mount here at the front. We're going to have our winch, hand winch in there amongst tie downs and other things. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button to see a few more videos about this. We're going to knock it apart and do some more filming of cleanup and prep.